This is how to find the latest Forex exchange or foreign exchange Forex news online completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
First website is forexfactory.com. As you can see here, we have this up and running and loaded. You want to go to the top right hand screen, click the third option which says news, and under news we have the latest news on the left hand screen, the hottest stories. On the top right hand screen we have fundamental analysis, just different categories of news. Actually a really good website, one of the best websites for checking the calendar, events, and news. Highly recommended. The next website is fxstreet.com for Forex and foreign exchange. As you can see, we have the latest news. You have different news that you can have. Right here you can just have Euro USD news, gold, inflation, events, and aspects and things like that. And we have whole different lists of pages of events under the calendar, and you even have different news right here. Really good website, highly recommend checking it out, more or less, give or take.